it's Darlene here from Liquid Sunshine with Prince. He's somewheres around, my dog, you may see him. Everybody has problems starting off with the tents. If you don't, you're superwoman, because they can be frustrating to put back when you're at a client's house and you need to fold that sucker back up. So this tent I like by Nuda. It has a nice zipper bag. It's very light to carry, so I really like that. It's not as tall as some, so I really like that too, because you don't know what space you're going to get into when you go to these people's homes, right? So here we go. You always start off with the right side, and you're going to kick it in to place. It will fold up. You can step on the bottom if you like. You're going to bring the clear side towards you, and then bring your hands together and kind of just gradually push it into place. Don't look for perfection, like how it came, because it's perfect how it comes. But if you do this, you can get it in your bag and you can get out. Now, when you get it like this, hold on tight, because it will spring out at you if you don't. So you just want to hold on to it tight. Sorry, I walked out of it. And put it in its bag. Zip it up. Don't forget to book your next appointment. All right, and have fun with it. That's it. Have fun. The good thing with Nuda as well is it in the bag. It has instructions, visual instructions. So if you forget, it's visually there, sewn in. So you will always have that with you from them. So happy spraying. Ciao.